Welcome to our guide on how to start trading on Expert Option in 2025. Let's dive into this exciting journey together. First, we'll walk you through the process of creating an account on Expert Option, step by step. Now let's explore the Expert Option interface, giving you an overview of the dashboard and its key features. It's time to set up your trading profile. We will go through the verification process and inputting your personal details. To start trading, you'll need to fund your Expert Option account. Let's explore all the deposit methods available and some useful tips. Understanding the various trading options available on the platform is crucial. Let's look at what's on offer. Now it's time to execute your first trade. Join me for a live demonstration as we make our first move. Let's enhance our trading game by utilizing the trading tools and features available to us, such as charts and indicators. Successful trading also involves understanding risk. Let's talk about some key techniques like setting stop losses and limits. Congratulations! You've taken your first steps in trading on Expert Option. Let's discuss the next steps in your trading journey.